Good afternoon, students. This is 12th zoology video class. In last video class, we are seeing multiple fission. Here, this is what the multiple fissions. The asexual reproductions undergo for the four types. One is fission, budding, fragmentation, regenerations. In fission, we are seeing four types of fission: binary fission, multiple fission, sporulations, strobilations. In binary fission, we have completed the four types: simple, transfer, longitudinal, oblique fissions. These four types we have completed. We have started multiple fission. What is multiple fission? What is multiple fission? The multiple fissions. The parent body divides into many similar daughter cells simultaneously. That is we call as a multiple fission. You can take out this page, just you can mark it out, define for the multiple fissions. And in multiple fission they are given an examples of amoeba. So this is the structure of amoeba. This amoeba, they undergo for the three stage. The first stage, the nucleus divides repeatedly without the divisions of cytoplasm. That is the first stage. Take on examples of this amoeba. This is a cyst amoeba. Formations of cyst, forming of three layers, that is we call as a cyst. In that one, the black spot one, the nucleus parts, first stage they will divide repeatedly. During that time the cytoplasm will not divide. Cytoplasm, can you find the granule-like structure, that is because of cytoplasm. In that cytoplasm, second stage the cytoplasm alone divide, and third stage the repeated divisions of nuclei. In that one the cytoplasm will just, they will go encircle the repeated of nucleus. That is the third stage of in multiple fissions. In that multiple fissions there is one more fissions, are the repeated fissions. What is repeated fissions? You can mark it out, 2 marks. Repeated fission. If multiple fission produces 4 or many daughter individuals by equal cell divisions. What they say here, if multiple fission produce 4 or more than that of daughter individuals by equal cell division. That is the first point of repeated fission. Then second point, they say the young ones do not separate until the process is complete. So this is we call as a repeated fission. In the repeated fissions, I will show you one diagram. You can draw the diagram. So this is the diagram. Examples of repeated fissions is a Vorticella. This diagram you can just copy in your textbook. In the textbook they don't give this Vorticella examples diagram. You can draw this diagram, or you can also draw this, any one of this diagram you can draw. Among these two diagrams, any one diagram you can draw in your textbook. You can copy it out. Okay, the next one we are going to see in multiple fissions. During unfavorable conditions, what will happen? The amoeba. During favorable conditions, what is going to be happen? The amoeba. That's what we are going to see here. Take out the page. During unfavorable conditions. During unfavorable conditions, you know what do you mean by unfavorable condition? The conditions is not suitable for that organism. That is because of unfavorable conditions. They decrease or increase the temperature, or they may undergo for the scarcity of food. What do you mean by scarcity? Scarcity of food means a lacking of food. That is because of scarcity of food. So we are seeing the examples of amoeba during unfavorable conditions. What happens? The amoeba, they withdraw its pseudopodia. What do you mean by pseudopodia? I will show you the parts. So the parts you can find here, pseudopodia. Here, multiple fissions in encysted amoeba, you can find pseudopodia parts. So these parts during unfavorable conditions, they withdraw. Okay, they fall down, and they secretes 3 layers. They secrete 3 layers. That layer used to act as a protective layer, and also they call as a chitinous cyst. Can you find the 3 layers? During unfavorable condition, the amoeba, this is the structure of amoeba, the young amoeba. So second, before that young amoeba, you can find the pseudopodia parts. That pseudopodia parts just they fall withdraw. Instead of that one, they have three protective layer. That layer only you can see the three layered cyst wall. Okay, and they become inactive one. They become inactive. So this phenomena is known as encystment. They'll ask you 2 marks. What is encystment? During the unfavorable conditions, the amoeba withdraw its pseudopodia and secretes three layered protective chitinous cyst wall around it and become inactive. This is we call as a encystment. We'll see next one what happens when the conditions become favorable one. When the condition become favorable one, the encyster amoeba divides by multiple fission. Here, the encyst one, they divide. When the condition become favorable, the encyster amoeba divides by multiple fission. The encyster amoeba, they divide multiple fission and produces many minute amoeba called pseudospores or amoebula. Yeah, this is the one when the favorable condition comes. During that time, the encyster amoeba just they develop, okay, and just they divide by multiple fissions and produce many minute amoeba called as a pseudopodiospores. They are also called as a amoebula. So this is what happens during favorable conditions. The cyst wall absorbs water and breaks off, liberating the young one pseudopodia spores. Then each fine pseudopodia they appear. Okay, so this is the differentiate between favorable and unfavorable conditions of amoeba. The next topic we'll see in multiple fission itself. Just we'll see. Next topic is the one stobulations. What is next topic? Next topic is the one stobulations. Here, what do you mean by stobulations? The transfer fission which occurs in organism, that is we call as a stobulations. In some metazoan animals. What do you mean by metazoan animals? The multicellular animals we call as a metazoan animals. In some metazoan animals, a special type of transfer fission takes place. That is we call as a stobulations. Okay, so we'll see how this stobulations occurs. In what are the animals this stobulations process will takes place. An example I show you. There is a examples of this stobulations, the one Aurelia. Can you find the diagram Aurelia? So this is the organisms where you can find in the water Aurelia. In some metazoan animals, a special type of transfer fission is called as stobulation. That is a defined, you can mark it out. The process of stobulations, how it takes place means the several transfer fission occurs simultaneously. Several transfer fission occurs simultaneously and giving rise to a number of individuals which often do not separate immediately from each other. Example, Aurelia. I will show you another diagram of this Aurelia where you can understand easily. Here, this diagram are just drawn in the board. You can find this is the young strobila stage of Aurelia. Can you find a just drawn line in between as a transfer section, a transfer fission? Each line just they divide one individuals. On the top of that strobila you can find the tentacles. We'll see the parts of that's Aurelia. The bottom one, the parts is called as a stalk one, and stolon, stalk, and mouth, and center of that were first segments of Aurelia, mouth, and below that mouth there is a manubrium, and afterwards ephyrae, then afterwards stalk, then stolons are there. So these are the diagrams you can find. These are the parts you can find in the Aurelia. If you see the Aurelia, single Aurelia structure in side view, this is the structure of side view Aurelia. You can find this diagram in your textbook. If you see that oral view of that one, this is the structure of oral view of the Aurelia. So they take transfer divisions, they take transfer fissions, and they do not separate immediately from each other. Okay, then what is next one? We'll see what is plasmatomy. Here the plasmatomy is the divisions of multinucleated parent. I'll show you two examples of plasmatomy. So this is the two examples of plasmatomy. This diagram also is not there in your textbook. You can draw this one. This is the examples of Opalina. This is the examples of Opalina and Pleomysa. These two diagrams is not there in your textbook. You can draw this diagram in your textbook or in your notebook. So this is the examples for plasmatomy. So plasmatomy is the divisions of multinucleated parent. Just listen carefully. You may find little confusions in this area. The plasmatomy is the divisions of multinucleated parent into many multinucleated daughter individuals with the divisions of nuclei. So I'll tell you the parts which presents in the Opalina. So on the top one pellicle are there and nuclei. The nuclei row. Can you find one? I just drawn line in between, middle of the line, between of the line. I just drawn one dot like structures. That is we call as a nuclei. One row, two row, three rows like structures. That is we say as a nuclei. Then ectoplasm. Then row of myonomes, endoplasm. So all these things are present in the Opalina. Here, so this organism made up of multinucleated parent. The parent itself made up of multinucleus. This multinucleus, they produce young ones. What type of young ones they produce mean that young one itself, they form as a multinucleated daughter. They already the parent itself, they are multinucleated. The parent which are formed as a multinucleate, they produce the young ones with the multinucleated daughter individuals. That is we call as a plasmatomy. Again I'll tell you, the plasmatomy is the divisions of multinucleated parents into many multinucleate daughter individuals with the divisions of nuclei. The parent itself, they are made up of multinucleated. That parent, they produce the young ones as a multinucleated individuals. That is we say as a plasmatomy. Examples of plasmatomy is the Opalina and Pleomysa. So this is the one we call as a Pleomysa. If you want to draw, you can draw this Pleomysa diagram in your textbook. This both diagram are not there. Again I'm telling you, this Pleomysa is also called as a giant amoeba. Giant amoeba. So today we have completed what is plasmatomy, and also we have completed what is strobulations. What is strobulations we have completed. Here this is what we have completed. Here what is plasmatomy. Just mark it out. These are the 2 marks. And what is strobulations we have completed. And what are the favorable and unfavorable conditions of amoeba we have seen. In multifissions we have seen. Just learn today itself. I'll send you the questions. You just write that questions in your notebook and send to my WhatsApp number. If you have any doubt, you can contact me. Okay, bye. Take care.